Alright, before we get into this video, I want to quickly say that there is a surprise about to give away at the end of the video, so make sure not to miss that. What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great and good evening. And welcome back to this special video because the last time I did a giveaway is quite some time ago. It was the start of 2022. I'm doing a giveaway again up to 600 USDC. In rewards for 3 lucky people. It's up to $600. All right, it's not necessarily going to be $600. I'm going to be completely honest about the giveaway. So obviously I think you're first interested in the giveaway, so let's actually check that out. This is the link to the form you have to fill out. There are some conditions, I have to say, there are some conditions you have to meet. All right, so this will be in the description. This giveaway is together with Stader Labs. In this video I'll also be giving you a tutorial on how to stake the NEAR token on Stader Labs, where you can get a 64% APY right now on NEAR itself. But apart from that, you can also do liquid staking and you can get another 30% APR on top of that. So let's get right into it. The giveaway is you can win, 3 people will win 10% of their staked NEAR amount. There are some rules. You have to stake at least 100 NEAR, so that's not nothing. All right, you have to stake it at near.staderlabs.com. Link will also be down in the description. You have to follow them on Twitter, join their Discord group and join their Telegram group. And then 3 lucky people will get 10% of their staked amount, staked NEAR, as rewards. Up to 600 USDC worth of NEAR X to be given as rewards, but that can be easily exchanged to NEAR or USDC, whatever you want. And the competition ends the 26th of September. The max eligibility is 500 NEAR, and the winners will be announced on the 15th of October. So important things is you have to stake at least 100 NEAR, first of all, and you just have to meet everything and fill out the form. As you can see, your email, Twitter handle, Telegram handle, Discord handle, and your NEAR wallet address. Because for all of this, what you will need is a NEAR wallet. You can easily make that by going to wallet.near.org. If you don't have one already, it easily lets you create one. That's the first thing you'll see. And your wallet is up here. So the thing you do is you click up there, copy it, and then fill it into the form. And then they will check if you have actually staked 100 NEAR. All right, now on to how you can actually stake your NEAR. First of all, as I said, you have to create your own wallet. I don't have a lot of NEAR or a lot of money on that right now. Recently took something off. But first you have to get that wallet and you have to put some NEAR on that, which you can just press receive. Then there's your wallet, copy it and send NEAR from your exchange, for example, where you can buy that. And then the NEAR is in your wallet. Then you go to near.staderlabs.com and the first thing you do is up here, you have to press connect wallet. It will bring you to the site. It all speaks for itself. All right, you just click the button connect wallet and it will connect your wallet. Maybe you have to fill in a password for your NEAR wallet, but that's everything. Then you're connected and you can just stake the NEAR you have in your NEAR wallet. It automatically connects. All right, and right now they have 64%. That will change during the times because a lot of that is rewards of Stader right now. But 64% on NEAR right now is an amazing opportunity. All right, that would mean that first of all, you can win money by staking NEAR. Second of all, you're also going to gain a crazy percentage. All right, because those rewards will actually stay. They will decrease, but they will stay. All right, so then you have staked your NEAR, and you can easily unstake that if you want to. If you want to unstake your NEAR, you can claim your the rewards you gained by staking. And I do want to say one time that all the links you will need will be down in the description. But second of all, also if you have any questions, let me know. Apart from that, you can also go to DeFi at the left menu right there, and you can do some liquid staking. So when you stake NEAR on Stader, you will get the NEAR X token. That's basically proof that you have staked NEAR. What you have to do then is you go to DeFi, you go to nearx.near at Jumbo. That will bring you to this site on Jumbo right here, as you can see. There again, you have to connect your wallet, and then you can easily use the NEAR X against rep NEAR. Then you have to connect your wallet up here, so I'm quickly going to do that. All right, then you have entered Jumbo with, again, you can easily add your wallet. It all speaks for itself. What you do then is you press add liquidity, and here you can actually put in all the NEAR X and wrapped NEAR you have. I do have some wrapped NEAR and some NEAR X in my wallet. You can add liquidity and you will also gain some percentage on top of that. So crazy gains you can get, but apart from that, also an amazing giveaway. So if you are interested in that, follow the steps of this video. And if you are interested in the giveaway, as I said, the form will be down in the description. Stake at least 100 near at Stader. Fill out this form, follow them on Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and then 3 of you, the 15th of October, will gain some nice rewards. So thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye. Alright guys, a quick surprise about the giveaway. I know the deadline is pretty tight in this video, so we extended it to the 30th of September. That is the end date. Until then, you can still participate. So make sure to do that as soon as possible if you want to win some free USDC.